So ladies and gentlemen, Instagram has done it again. We started off with pictures, then videos, then snaps with filters and all that great stuff. But this time, they got my attention for real. Instagram TV. I'm here to show you guys Instagram TV, just a first little look. And I'm going to be creating my Instagram TV account. I'm going to show you guys how to create an account. It's very easy. First things first, you will need to update your Instagram application. So it is available right now, and then you're gonna see a nice little logo there. It's like a TV icon, as you guys can see. If you tap on that, that will launch. That will launch up. Oh, it's MKBHD. And by the way, MKBHD was the first Instagrammer, I guess you could say, quote unquote YouTuber that I saw on Instagram TV. So that, and then I saw my boy Gary V. I watched Kim Kardashian, the Instagram queen. I didn't want to create a channel without turning on the camera for you guys. So you just tap on the gear icon if you want to create a channel, and you just tap on create channel. Now, let's zoom in. Let's read that. And it's basically saying IGTV, aka Instagram TV, is a new space to create and engage your audience with longer videos. So that's right, you can record up to 1 hour of video. So that's definitely more than enough for your amazing creative videos. That's way better than what was it before? A minute? Yeah, it was a minute before. And yeah, that was just simply not enough, for real. But you can get really creative with shorter videos, but longer the better sometimes. Alright, okay, so this is the part that I don't like right away. Hopefully Instagram can change this or update this. It's built for vertical, so it's only for vertical video, so that kind of sucks. That's one of my biggest pet peeves in my opinion. So I created my channel, very simple. It was just like that. So I didn't upload no videos yet. Let's say I want to upload this. I can upload this if I want to, and then I can tap on next. But you know what? We should create a video live. So how would we do that? Okay. So I'm guessing you gotta make the video. You gotta make the video, and then go back into Instagram TV. This is my first time using it, so bear with me. So I'm getting ready to make a video. This is just my basic camera application, iOS app. I'm not sure if this is available on Android just yet. As you guys can see yourself. So let me see if I can record a video. Alright guys, what is going on? This is my first video on Instagram TV. Will this take over YouTube? Well, we don't know. We just gotta wait and see. You know what? I can make it longer. Hold on, I'm gonna make it longer. Boom, this is my first ever Instagram TV video. Y'all better hop on it right now. This is the best time to make your creative content, your videos on Instagram TV. So hop on while you can. I'm definitely going to be making more videos on Instagram TV. I can go back into my photos application and I can just, trim that off. So you can edit all your videos right here on the fly. And then you could just trim original. And then that's it. And then you can go back into the Instagram app. And then you could just post it up. Now, this is not the best video. I'm sweaty. I turned off my fan, turned off my central air, but it is what it is. I'm just showing you guys an example. And I think this is going to compete with YouTube, especially with that hour-long video. I mean, you could probably do pranks if you want to with this, because you can really have the camera down and then you could do like a nice little prank. So I think this is just going to definitely be just like YouTube. And you can also change the cover. So this is like the thumbnail. So you can upload your thumbnail from your camera roll, or you could just take a quick little thumbnail. So you could choose a cover from the video. I don't have no good cover right here. You know what? We're gonna create a cover right now, and it's a unique name other than thumbnail. Quick little selfie with you guys. And you can even make it visible on your Facebook page if you want. But now I'm not gonna do that. If you can connect your whatchamacallit if you like, but I'm not gonna do that right now. And then that's it. It is uploading, and now it is live. So I think this is definitely a great look. So I recommend you guys start making content now. This is like YouTube from back in 2008. Oops, my fault. And I think this is definitely a great thing. If Instagram can change it up and not make it vertical and make it horizontal, that would be amazing. But I would say more people, or just as much people, are searching on Instagram than YouTube. I go on YouTube more than Instagram, even though I'm lying. I use them pretty equally. And another thing too, I want to mention, there's no ads currently, which is a good thing. But if you're making content an hour long, you want to be able to get paid as the creator. This is just like YouTube from back in 2008, where creators weren't even getting paid, was just making creative content. But sooner or later, they are going to allow ads for creators to get paid, which is good though. I mean, you want to get paid. You're kicking your butt making content. You know, ads is definitely a great thing. I don't mind YouTube ads. I wouldn't even mind Instagram ads. And definitely support the people who make the content for us to watch. You even have your popular, so these are like the trending. Of course, you have Kim K, Selena Gomez, Ninja, of course. And then you have MKBHD, and so on and so forth. So this is like the trending Instagrammers. And then you have your continue watching. You searching up the Instagrammer and then see if they have any videos. So if I go into Ninja, you're gonna see all of Ninja's videos. And then if you go back and type in something else, you're gonna find somebody else's video. Definitely check it out. It is a free update for Instagram, and I highly recommend it, guys. Definitely go on and create something amazing. Alright guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like on this video and comment down below. You think this is a good idea? You think Instagram TV is going to take over YouTube? Only time can tell. Only time will tell, basically. Alright guys, until next time, and since we talking about Instagram, make sure you guys follow me on the gram at SimplyPops. There we go, that's my IG, so follow me at SimplyPops. Alright guys, until next time, have a simple day.